Wow, it's so beautiful. Now we have reached the top, and then see, it's a very risky place. If we slip, we will not survive. If we slip and then fall down here, we won't survive. Yeah. What a wonderful place. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful place you have created. We are enjoying your creation. We enjoy your creation. See, let me show you the dangerous place, the rocky place. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. But let me sacrifice. Yeah. What a wonderful place. Yeah. Wow. Yes. I'm so scared. Yeah, this is our guide. Even our guide is also enjoying with us. Yeah. Wow. See guys. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Oh Lord my God, when I am awesome wonder, consider all the work that thou hast made. I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder. Yeah, what a wonderful places. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for your creation. We are really enjoying your creation. We are really enjoying your creation. Yeah. I'm scared. Guys, please come down. Come down here. Yeah. Hey. Guys, please bear with me. I can't walk fast. This place is so dangerous and a rocky place. If we unfortunately slip our feet, we are gone. If we slip down, we won't be able to survive our life. Yeah, wonderful. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Wow, it's really amazing. Yeah, please come back. Follow around. Say. See, this is the place. Let me show you. I can't go, but I will show you with my camera. See. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Yeah. Yeah. Lord, I glorify you. Lord, I glorify you for your faithfulness. Let me show you one flower. This is orchid, or I don't know whether it is orchid or orchid, but this is it. From this mountain top, we can view all the surrounding villages. This village is called Konka village. See, my friends are enjoying on the top. See, this is the rock, and then there is a hole. See, this is the rock, and then it's a hole. Yeah. This is the holes. See, there is holes and gaps between the rock. Between the rock there is a holes and gaps. See, these are the gaps. These are the gaps between the rock. These are the caves. These are the caves between the rock. See how beautiful and awesome. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. See how beautiful it is. How beautiful it is. How beautiful. Lord, you are mighty God. Thank you, Lord. Guys, let me show you a little more far. See. These are the gates. Oh. We exalt you. We exalt you, Lord on high. We exalt you in this place. We exalt you. We exalt you, Lord on high. We exalt you in this place, Lord, in this place. Wow. I can't. Guys, see. See, this is the beautiful place. In this place there is so many types of rock. Black stone, white stone, green stone, and also blue stone. There is various type of stone and various color. It's like a rainbow, many colors. Guys, I can't go down and show you, but see, you can look around. This is the wonderful place. Let me show you the holes inside the stone. There is the holes. See. Wow, what a beautiful place. What a beautiful stone. Come down. Let me show you the wonders and signs. Let me show you the wonderful places. Come down, please.
Wow!
You will surprise.
You will surprise
the place where I am going to show you.
It's not possible for me to reach there.
You can. Yeah, you can jump from here.
You want me to jump?
If you can.
1, 2,
9.
wow.
See, this is the place I really wanted to show you these holes.
Wow, what is this?
See, stones and caves. These are the caves.
Look it.
Yeah, please
Yeah, they give you like what?
see. Let me show you guys.
See.
There is a white stone down there. Yeah, this is the white stone. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Down there is a valley.
Front side biasa.
We can still go down a little more there, but we won't go today. Next time. if the time permits us, we will go and visit once more. Ooh. Kimatasing Arlo are watching. We will come back one day. See, these are the limestone. See, there is a hole. There is a hole. Yeah. Alright. We enjoyed going down there, but to move back up to the mountain, it's really a tiresome. Hey, hoi, hi, hey, ha.
Oh my God!
Hey. Ah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hiya. Thank you so very much. Hiya. I feel like it's my dream. Hey. Hey. Hi. Hey. Hey. Hi. See, these are the stone. Oh yeah. Our God is an awesome God. Hey. Hey. Our God is an awesome God. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Say hello.
Oh, we enjoy a lot. To be honest, right now we are in Pigatse Mountain. The land called limestone in Nagaland.
Hey. Hey. Nah. Now let me not say anything. I'm really tired. Let me reach first the top of the mountain and let me say everything about it. Ah, yeah. This is Chikaze Mountain and my friend. Oh yeah.
Remember,
Say something.
great remembrance.
Look here, Alip. Say something about this mountain.
So,
I'm so exhausted, I can't say something around.
see, she said that she can walk, but when it comes to reality, she can't even walk. Even a small step of mountain, she can't walk.
See,
But we had a fun lot.
Friends, this place is very beautiful place, and then we call it as a Chikadze mountain, and then this mountain is situated in the land of Yimkyung. This Chikadze mountain is situated in the land of Yimkyung, and then this place is very beautiful, which our living God has created for us. So we have really enjoyed visiting this place, and then if God willing, we will come back and visit, and then we will show you once more in a good day. So enjoy it. The place, and then this is the stone cave. Inside this cave, we will go inside. We will go inside. This is Aaron, Mr. Aaron.
Wow, amazing.
Okay, okay. Go. See, this man already visited the stone cave, and came out. He's coming back. Let me try. Oh. Okay, let's move back. Pitor de gina taki je. Itu mukan la guide ase. He is my guide. He is our guide. And then he already reached the bottom. See, stones are amazing, wonderfully created. Wow, what a beautiful stone, what a beautiful rock. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yimkyung the tiger.